Hey, so in this video I'll be showing you how to feed your blog and update basically your blog content. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on page on the left side of your screen and then find your blog. You want to click there and you will find a list basically of all your blog posts, meaning all the blog posts that are already published, the draft, post pending review, the scheduled posts. They will all be in this list. If you want to separate them and see all your draft, just click on draft, review, or scheduled. So we're here back in the list. If you want to add a new article, you want to click on that little plus sign here, and this will create a new article. So you want to choose a title for your article, so we'll call it Interesting and here you can start adding basically the content to your posts. The next thing you want to do probably is add different type of content, not just text. So what you want to do for that is just click on the little bubble and you can have basically different types of content that you can add. We're going to go for an image right now. You can either upload an image from your computer by clicking on the arrow. If you want to access a big database of images, you can search for an image. This is all free and you can search for any image that you'd like. Let's say that we're going to go for this image. We're going to add it to the site. This might take a few seconds. So in the meantime, we can look at what other things we see on this page. At the bottom, you'll see the tags and the categories. So here's where basically you can add or select basically which category your article belongs to. This example blog basically has 3 categories: business, health, and lifestyle. So let's say that this is going to go in lifestyle. If you want to create a new category, you can always click there, type the name of the category and press enter. The tag's gonna work like hashtags. So basically what it is about, let's say it's a recipe, it's also a dessert, and it's gluten-free, let's say. So then people can search the content of your blog more easily. Then you can also choose if you want to enable the comments or disable them. Let's say that we're gonna enable the comments, so comments are on. And here is basically how you want to save this post. If you want to save it as a draft, as a need review post, as a scheduled post, so that would be scheduled in the future. So here you can choose the date. Let's say we'll schedule it on January 16. You can also change the time, and that's all you need to do except press save, obviously, and then it will publish it for you in 13 days or whatever you have selected. So this is the first page. You can also arrange the text and images and all the content you have. So what you want to do is find that little dark bar that will appear right above your image or your text, and you can click that and drag the image to where you need it to be. If you want to add, let's say, more text on the top, you can always just go to that little bubble and add what you need to add. So text, a quote, image, video, a line, and so on. Then once your content is ready to go, you can go into options and then you can upload an image that will be basically the thumbnail image. So basically what you see here on the left, what people will, the image that they will see before they click on your article. So you either can select an image from your computer or you can search for an image just like we did previously. And let's say that this image really represents my article. I'm going to add it to the site. Here you can also type a really short and sweet little, short and sweet little title, so that people are really interested in your article and will basically click and want to read more. Short and sweet. You can also choose if this is a featured post by simply clicking here. You can also choose what the URL of your post will be. If you don't have to do it. If you don't, it will just generate one for you, basically based on your title, the title of your article. So once that is done, you can go to location. If this is something that interests you in sharing basically the location of where you wrote or published your article. If you go to social, it will show your connected accounts, your social media accounts, and from there you can share your new article right away. So that's another option that you have. So once you're all ready to go, you can, let's say that we're going to publish it right now. You can also publish things in the future or in the past. So let's say that we're going to publish this in the past, so December 31st, 2018, and this will appear right away on the blog. Same thing if I go into the future and I publish it, it will show the article. So the difference with published and scheduled is that scheduled, it won't show the article until the date you chose, and published, it will publish it at the date, showing the date you chose, even if it's the date in the future. So we're just going to go ahead and save the article, and it's here at the bottom because the dates is basically before all the other articles, so it will show them chronologically. So another way that you can update content, you can, for example, click on the image of the blog title that you're interested of editing, and then you can go back basically and edit it this way. Or you can choose it on the left side, click on the image, edit, and then same thing, you can edit here. Another way to edit, you click on the article you're interested in editing, and then you can go here and edit, and that will show a basically wider, more realistic, close to reality way of just adding more content. Let's say we're going to add more text at the bottom, and there we go. Don't forget to save, and this is already live, so you don't need to do anything else than just save. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always drop me a line at louise@ledv.be. Just don't hesitate if you have any questions. Alright,